I first found Fabertec through Instagram, so speaking to a few different trades. Everybody that I sort of spoke to spoke really highly of them, said the machines are really reliable, so it was quite easy to make the decision, to be honest. Nothing major really. I spoke to Charles a couple of times when I was in the market for CNC. He was always quick to come back to me. Any questions, just always really helpful with everything really. Yeah, I think that's the main reason. The customer service and everything so far has been spot on. I think mainly the price point. You get a lot of money for your machine really. Everything's sort of up to date. Little things, just having like your bolts for locating. There's a couple of other CNC companies that I looked at that don't do things like that. It's only a small sort of difference, but it just helped out. Sort of having everything in one place as well. Turn your vacuum on, extractor on and off, everything handy. Sort of made it stand out to me. Everything I asked about the machine, Charles or Magdalena were great to come back with answers, so I never sort of had any doubts with anything. Everything was really clear. There was no sort of hassle. Couldn't really ask too many questions. Michael came out to install and do the training with me. He was great. I was cutting the same day really. I had a program drawn out on VCarve just as a test, and yeah, I've been cutting ever since. It's been fairly easy to use. I was a bit sort of hesitant at first with the control panel, as I've not used one before, but once you've sort of used it a few times, it's easy. You just have to make sure you follow the right processes, and if you think anything's wrong, just pause it. Just press pause on the control panel and it'll stop anything. You can check. I've had no issues with everything so far. I think it's a great machine, well built. Everything works as it should, so I definitely recommend Fabertec to other people. I'm looking forward to seeing what other things they bring out in the future.